Hi everyone, it's Milky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video. Bokksu sent me this super cute Hello Kitty and Friends collaboration box, and I'm just excited to show you guys what's in here. The packaging is so cute and so pretty and pastel, and I just love it. Very excited to show you guys what's in here. It's a huge box. Let's take off the sleeve. And then the actual box has the very cute logo on it. Let's see what's inside. So inside, the first thing we see is this little pamphlet that has a description of everything that's in the box. The description of this box is, Hello Kitty and her friends are having a picnic under the cherry blossoms. Let's head to Japan with Hello Kitty, Cinnamoroll, Pachako, and my Melody. Everyone's bringing their favorite treats to share as they watch the pretty pink petals rain down from the trees. Oh, and did we mention you're invited? Your friends too. So you can all play, laugh, and experience the tasty flavors that pair perfectly with this special springtime celebration. Here's a little preview of everything that's in the box. Everyone has their own little picks, which I think is such a cute idea. Everyone has their own little special snacks that they like to bring. I won't flip through this too much to not give spoilers, but it's a nice, helpful guide with allergen information and things like that. We also have a cute little postcard with pictures of some of the snacks and the people that make them, as well as a little description about some of the things that come in the box. And then this cute little postcard, which is just like a little thank you note. This little Hello Kitty Sakura coaster, so cute. And a pink Hello Kitty sticker, how adorable. Now, getting into the contents of the box, the first thing that we see is this super cute Sakura patterned tea. I just love green tea, and I think this is a Sakura flavored green tea. So I'm super excited to try it. Next up in here, we have this cute strawberry white chocolate mochi. I just love mochi, so I'm excited to try these. And there are two of them. Next up, we have these little tiny cookies, I think. They're so cute and pink. I love anything that's pink, of course. And these are from Kyoto. Up next, we have these little Sakura-shaped cookies. I think they're Sakura flavored based on the packaging and the shape and everything. They seem like they have little Sakura leaves inside. And again, there are two of them, so one for you and one for a friend. Next up, we have a little package of rice crackers. These are umeboshi flavored, or pickled sour plums. And again, there's a second one. We then have these Sakura donuts in the cutest packaging. I'm excited to try these. you like my nails? I painted them pink to match the Sakura theme. Next up, we have these little Sakura shrimp cookies. And the packaging on these is so cute. And there's just one big rice cookie in here. We then have some more rice crackers. These are shaped like cherry blossoms, although sadly they got a little bit squished. They come in lots of different cute little colors. There are so many of them. In a similar Bokksu original style package, we have these handmade Japanese hard candies that are Sakura flavored. They got stuck together just a little bit, but that's okay. So cute, little pink drops. Next up, a big package in here, we have these strawberry tart cookies. I've actually had these before and they're really good. I've had the strawberry ones and the blueberry ones, and I think the strawberry ones might be my favorite. There's so many in here, you can share them with all of your friends. I just love strawberry flavored things, they're so cute and yummy. Next up we have a big set of Sanrio character themed cookies. There are 4 different packs and they all have different characters on them. And they all have little pictures of the characters. Do you see Pachaka? Next up we see something with a super cute face. Who could that be? It's my Melody! I'm so glad she didn't arrive damaged. She's just so cute. A nice little sugar cookie with cute decorations. So adorable. I hope that she's strawberry flavored. We then have something else safely packaged. And this time with everyone's other favorite girl, Hello Kitty. These are just like little shortbread biscuits with Hello Kitty, as well as some areas of Japan, I think. And now Bokksu always has little gifts that are not food related. Let's see what's in here. A little pink Hello Kitty trinket dish. So cute with the Sakura flowers on the edges. Hello Kitty with her little cherry blossoms and her little teddy bear. And then here in hiragana it says Haru Kitty, which I think is a pun, which I think is cute, because it's like Hello Kitty, but also it sounds like Spring Kitty, which is cute. I love trinket dishes like this. They're perfect for putting your accessories or jewelry on. I actually have a pair of very cute strawberry earrings that would look so perfect on here. Did I say strawberry? I meant Sakura, but that's okay. I feel like I associate strawberries and Sakura so closely together. Don't they look just perfect? So cute. And then lastly in here we have one big package left. I wonder what it could be. I think it's a mug. Oh, look at that. It matches perfectly to our nice little trinket dish. And this also has Hello Kitty with Sakuras in her hair and her little teddy bear. This will be perfect for drinking tea in. And then again we have them holding hands or her carrying him. So cute. And with that, that's everything that we got. Now I guess let's all put it back in the box. I guess I can take these away for now. that's everything that we got. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you of course to Bokksu for sending me this box. It's absolutely perfect for me. It's so on brand. I love all the cute Sakura flavored treats and the Sanrio themes. It was just absolutely adorable. I'll leave information about Bokksu if you're interested in trying them out for yourself in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely day. Bye!